Alright, what's up guys? Chris Full Metal here. We got a Cloud 2 HyperX. We're going to do a quick unboxing. Hasn't been opened yet. I'm going to go ahead and in true unboxing form. You won't be able to see down. I'll try to we'll pan it down a bit. Oh god, let's not break it. Let's leave it. Nope, we'll just leave it right there. Game unboxing fashion, people use random knives. We're going to go ahead and cut it like an idiot to try to get in the box itself. So the gaming headsets I've been using recently are oh, we're out of focus. There we go. We're good. The Razer Krakens and my Triton 720s. But I felt it was time to upgrade, so we'll go ahead and get this open. I didn't cut it enough. My apologies. And I went with the Cloud 2. I don't know. I just felt like it. There was no particular reason I went for it. But let's go ahead and open it. It's going to be like any other headset. It's going to have wires, going to have cables, going to have headphones, going to have all that wonderfulness. So, oh god, it's really in there. So, it's a box in a box. Go figure. Nothing further in that box. I'll throw that to the side. Ooh, how fancy. That is a pretty decent box. Inside, let's see if I can do this on camera. Ooh. Of course, I got stuff in there. So, something about got you covered. I don't know, some label thing. Congratulations on joining the hashtag HyperX family. Tells you a quick guide how to set it up, how to connect it, and all that. So, let's go ahead and take a little foam off, and voila! Brand new headset. Smells good. Doesn't smell bad. So what I see is we got some ear cuffs if you want to change them. They do have, let's take those out and set them aside real quick. Little smelly thing. Don't eat that. It's bad for you. Cable, I assume. Microphone all the way on the inside. Got a little mic connect. This is to plug it into the computer, I assume. A little one prong to two prong, 3.5 millimeter. Let's go ahead and take the headset out. Inside, I'm gonna set that aside real quick. I think that is everything. Maybe this comes out. I think, yeah, I think that's everything. Whatever that is. And then, oh, okay. Box empty, nothing left in here. But all the way at the bottom, there's a case. Comes with a case. Okay. That is the other cable. I assume you plug it in the computer. Yeah, you got USB. Okay, that makes more sense. USB, and then you got your controls. If I can get in that real quick. Oh, wow, that zoomed in just... You just got to cover the face, I guess. Oh, no, it doesn't want to do it. But that's where it will plug in the headset into that, then you can use it for your computer. 7.1 surround sound, so that is a thing. I keep looking over here because I'm making sure it's still going. So, pretty nifty. We do got the bag, we'll go over that real quick. Just a quick little see-through bag, a little drawstring. I don't plan on ever traveling with it, so I'm not going to do that. It's got HyperX written on the top, which is pretty nice. I'm going to take the stickers off. ASMR for you. There you go. Oh, you weird people. Exotic and all that. Another one. There you go. Perfect. I assume left side is... Does it tell me? Should tell me. So they got... Ooh. It's pretty nice metal. It's metal. Some sort of stitched fabric. I don't know if we can get that zoomed in on. See if we can... Ooh. No, maybe not. But... Really, really nice quality. But as far as the things I took out earlier, let me expand these real quick, and we'll go ahead and so they have already on them. They feel all right. Put that box down real quick. It was bugging me. On the inside, like some, they'll have that plastic. Well, that's not plastic, but they have these like cushioned ones. Ooh, I may just keep with these. So they're pretty soft. The problem I was having lately with the razors is they were putting too much pressure on my head. These, we'll give them a little try, but they don't feel too bad. But that will conclude that. If you guys do want to see future content as far as unboxings and all that, do leave a comment, all that down below. Stop by a stream to see if I actually like these, see if I continue to use them. I need to actually hurry up now. We're about 10 minutes late to the stream, but this will be up tomorrow, today for you guys. But yesterday I made this. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I'll give them a rating in the future again. I can't give, you know, quality and all that as far as sound. But feel, I would give them a solid. We'll give them a 8.5. We'll give them a 9 out of 10. I do. So far, they're not too bad. I didn't think I would like the metal. I thought that was going to annoy me, but I don't feel like they're going to shake off at all. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you are new, go ahead and sub down below. Leave a like if you did enjoy. Let me know what kind of headset you guys got, and we'll see you next time. Peace.